So it's almost 1:30 in the afternoon. It's kind of dried, all dried out. The water that I used to wash the rail, and the currently gate is not responding. Just see, because last time I actually water around here, put some hose all the way around here, and it started just moving. So I'll just try it again. Okay, so I just got a hose in my hand, and it's still not really responding. So I'm just going to water around here. Test it again. See, now it opens. So somehow when this area gets wet, it starts to open. So I'm thinking there's something to do with the electric conduction on that little bit, spring sticking bit out. Yeah, because when it's wet it works now, which I just discovered today. Today is Thursday. And it perfectly closes, and you can open it again. It still works. So now it's 1:30. I'll try again when it dries out again. All right.